Good morning, guys. Welcome to Code Brain Execution. Today we are going to practice Python. Yesterday we have learned something new. Today we are going to continue that same thing. Before that, I need to recall what we have practiced yesterday. Yesterday we gave a string like this one. Today let's take some other. Wait a minute. Before that, I yeah. I changed my keyboard to go coding keyboard. Uh, let's give. Let me give some other code like Vande Mataram. Yeah, now I have given it a letter. I am going to print. I am going to print this one. For that, what I need to go? What I need to do? Just say A. It's going to print Vande Mataram. Now, what what we need to do? It should print in downwards like V in row 1 V and V in row 2 A like that. What like wait a minute. Let me. What is the wait a minute? For comment multiple lines in Python, how to do? Acha, I need to use triple quote. Fine. I need to use triple quote. So what I'm going to do is give this one. Uh, like V A V like this. Like it should print bottom. Please wait a minute. For that, let me try to print now. Print A. That's great. Guys, wait a minute. Let me give it first clearly. Yesterday what we did was the task is to print the statement, print the string downwards. Downward. Yeah. Like for example, if we say A is equal to Vande Mataram, output should be VANDHEMATARA. Yeah, like this I want, like this. Got it? Like this I want. Let me close this one. Let me close it one. Now what we are going to do, just say a equal to Vande Mataram. Now take for look, for I in A. Here A refers to Vande Mataram. It is a complete string. It's a one string. Now what we are going to do, print. I think if I say I, it will, let me try this first. Let me try. If I print uh, super, why it is printed like this was, it is like here A equal to Vande Mataram means it considers each character, like it consider this is a string, but this, the for loop can iterate through this, like each character. Let me take this one. Wait a minute. Yeah, there, here is the thing. Here, see, look, no, this is a list. See, look, here what we have taken A equal to Vande Mataram. It is a string. Basically, in strings in Python are iterable, which means we can iterate through each character, like V separately, A separately, and D, H, E, each one separately. So here the space will also be considered as a new character. See guys, we have given some space, so it has given us some space. Just imagine what happen if we give n equal to space. It will print horizontally, but by default Python prints vertically. Okay, but the same thing will not be uh, considered, like, wait a minute, what happened if I say um, wait a minute, I plus 1, let me check it out. Can only concatenate string, not end. That's great. Instead of that, what should we need to do is a of, for just for the sake, let me try 0 1 2. Let me try. See guys, what here, see guys, what it was doing here, I value will be iterating to each time, so that it prints V, like, VANDHE and space MADA or AM, but we are going to add A of 2, which means 0 1 2. Here 2 refers to n, so that it prints n constantly. In terms of string, it just concatenate, not it going to add. That's why it is adding n with every character. It's okay. Now what happened if we uh, take it as a list? This can the same thing will run for this one? Definitely not. Why? Because like when we define it as a string, it will, the Python's and string will iterate each different character, but in terms of a list it will not iterate. It will consider a is equal to Vande Mataram as one single string, one character like that. So if I say this one, it will print Vande Mataram. Instead of this, what I need to do is, now I need to give a of 0 this one. This will so this code will print like this. Why? Because if we mention a is equal to Vande Mataram equal to Vande Mataram, it means one string. Wait, if we say here one complete string, what it was doing is one complete a is considered as one string. But if we say a A0, it allows to iterate through the first string. Like here Vande Mataram will be one string. If you have some other words like after, just take Bharat. Here we have two strings. Here a of 0 refers to Vande Mataram. If I say for I in a of 0, it means it allows to iterate through the first string, so that it can iterate to each character. B separately, let me run this one. Wait, what happen if I say a of 1? It will iterate through that one. This is the difference. That's why we need to do this. AF0 or AF1. There are some other ways also to do this. Like we can say we can split. Wait, if we have only one string, we need to do so. We simply need to create a word equal to a dot a of 0 dot split. Now here in a we need to give word. Now we can run. But why it was printing Vande Mataram in this way? Because here we are separating the words, so it will consider Vande as one, Mataram as one. We have this in, wait, we have this thing in here. Let me ask this to Google or ChatGPT. Give me explanation. Give me explanation. A line and explain what's happening in simple terms. A equal to Vande Mataram. Yeah. You created a list named A. It's okay. The list has one string element, which is Vande Mataram. So A of 0 in the string is Vande Mataram. Word A of 0 dot split. What it is doing is A of 0 gives the string Vande Mataram. Fine. Dot split the strings into words by spaces. But we have space so that it is separating by space. Vande Mataram. For I in word, the print type. This loop goes to each word in the list. Fine, that I understood this one. What happen if we not give any space here? Single word. That's great. Instead of word, we can use a. It's simply going to give this one. So what we need to do is 0 this one. Now it will give line by line. Now we need to ask him to explain this also. Explain this. Say a string as a sequence. So it will loop over each character one by one. Okay, Python treats a string as a sequence of character. That's nice. So it will loop over each character one by one. On each loop okay, that's great. I understood. Now let's clear everything. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Print the numbers. Fine. For I in range If I use range, we can say 10. That's enough. Print I. It will print the numbers. Syntax invalid for. In Python, I starts from 0. Basically, I initialize to 0 so that it first of all it prints 0. Okay, fine. Next, what we do? Shall we increment with the previous number, like the number, wait, 0 plus 1, 1. Next, 1 plus 2, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Like this. Give me the write a code for this. Write a code. How we are going to write the code? What we are doing here is how we get the first of all, how did we get that one? Rough work. First we need to initialize I equal to 0. You should print this one. After we need to add the answer value to the ith value. It looks like how we are doing was like 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Next, taking the output of the 0 here, like 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Next, taking the 1 plus ith incremental value equal to 3. Next, the output of this value 3 plus 3 is equal to, wait a minute, 0 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So that what we are doing here is we are simply adding the answer to the ith value. So that what we need to do now, what we are doing here is answer plus I. We need to store this answer. So answer equal to answer plus I. For this, it should repeat the process. For that, we need to write a loop for I in range. It should iterate up to 10 colon tab. Let me run the code now. Answer is not defined. Sorry guys. Answer equal to 0. Oh my god, I failed to do output. Print ans. Let me print now. I think this is like Fibonacci. 1 3 6 10 15, like Fibonacci number. Example, give This is Fibonacci. Okay, sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of number where each number is the sum of two preceding two ones. But what I have done here now? 0, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Give me the code. 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. First one 0. First it starts from 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. Next. Guy, I have really messed up. Okay, this is I have written some different kind of code. This is not the same code which is a Fibonacci was. Here the Fibonacci means each number is the sum of the two preceding ones starting from 0 and 1. Okay, wait. Here what it was saying is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. I have made a problem at some case. What I am doing, first I need to take the previous number. Wait, let me clear everything. First one 0, 0. Yeah, 0. Next, what should I need to do? I need to add this with the previous number. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Next, now I'm going to add the answer with the 1. I think it should be look like 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Next, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Fibonacci number, how it works. Let me ask the GPT. Iteration 0. 0 plus 1. 1. Still I have doubt. Guys, I need to define two numbers. You want to generate the n. First n10 in Fibonacci number. One equal to what it was doing here. Still I can't understand. Iteration 1. A is 0, B is 1. So C equal to A plus B 1. Okay, print 0. Now is what happening here. We initialized A equal to 0, B equal to 1. We are subbing here. C equal storing in that C variable. So simply what it was saying is, let me try to figure this one. First of all, let me write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number which starts from 0. Now, how the answer should be answered? 0 plus, first of all, it should have been 0, so 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And then it should have 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 0 plus 1, 0 came 1, 1. Is 3. Still I have confusion on this one. What is Fibonacci? Wait. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. It shows 9, but it comes 9. What's happening? How there will be double 1? Okay, shit, I was forgetting. First of all, we are initialing these two. 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. $21, like this. Fine, I understood. We need to initialize both number and we are printing that one. Like this we want. So what we are going to do now? First of all, we need 0. Before that, we need what is, we need to add two numbers, guys. So answer equal to A plus B. I understood. We need to add previous two numbers to get that number. Okay. Answer equal to 0. Great. Now what we need to do? We need to we need to swap the values. Here, if this is 0 is a, this is a, this is b. For the sake of the example, if this is 1, next what we are doing, 0, first we are printing 0 1, print we are just swapping the two variables. So we need to swap a to, simple guys, we have initialized two variables, a for 0, b for 1. Now we are going to add a plus b and get that value, and we need to print. Next we need to swap, a should be go to b place, b should be go to c place. A equal to b, b equal to answer. Now print if I say I, why this is not working? Okay, let's give them in a new line. It, if I say I, it should print continuously, but I don't want that. What I want is answer. Great, but for him he has 2 1. I have only 1 1. How? Let's ask to GPT. Is this correct? There is no typo here. Give me the code with output. Why you using a instead of ans? The current Fibonacci number in the sequence at the beginning of each loop answer is just a temporary next number. That is not possible yet until we assign it to be. Okay, okay, understood. What it was doing now? For I in range 10, 0 in range 10, yeah. Next printer A. 0 plus 1. No, answer will be 1. Wait, what it was doing? Hash for I equal to 0, I is first one, I is 0, 0 in range, and yeah, it is true. Condition, it goes to A. It prints A. What is the value of A? A is 0. Fine. Next, go to answer. Answer is said as answer is 0, defined as 0. So 0 equal to 0. A was 0, 0. B was 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So now answer is updated to 1. Great. Next we are going to do exchange. We need to move the variable, like what? We need to move. So A is moved to B place. B is 1. Now the A become A become 1 and B become what? B become the answer. Like that we have summed two in first two, right? That number. Great. I have learned something new today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my channel. I have learned something, but I am not sure whether I have clearly explained this or not, but I learned something new today. Thank you.